Reels are all the rage and one of the fastest ways to grow an engaged audience of buyers on both Facebook and Instagram. But what if you're not comfortable on camera, don't have time to get all made up, or just feel like switching things up for your audience? Contrary to popular belief, you do not have to show your face to be successful with Reels. And in this video, I am sharing 9 faceless reel ideas you can start using immediately to attract more followers, more leads, and more sales on social media. My name is Maylea. I'm the co-founder of the Global Freedom Community alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider. Together, we help female entrepreneurs create laptop lifestyle using profitable habits and evergreen marketing strategies so you can create consistent revenue without stress and overwhelm. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button because we put out great new videos just like this one on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training we release. Putting your face on social media is important. People buy from people, and letting your audience see the real you is one of the best ways to create know, like, and trust. But you don't have to be on camera all the time. It could be that you are just starting out and that the fear of putting your face on camera combined with all that new technology just leaves you feeling a little overwhelmed. These tips I'm giving you today are a great way to dip your toe in the water by starting with faceless reel ideas instead of getting on camera. Because the only way to get better is to get started. Faceless Reels are a great way to familiarize yourself with all the features of Reels without the added pressure of being on camera. And it's also a great way to switch things up for your audience and provide inspiration, social proof, or showcase one of your products or services in a new way. And because they require no makeup, no props, they're really quick and easy to batch. All right, so let's dive into these 9 examples. Number 1, client wins. If you are growing a business online, you probably already know the importance of sharing testimonials and social proof with your audience. But did you know you can take the same concept and turn it into a reel? Grab 3 to 4 screenshots of testimonials, wins, or before and afters from your clients. Using the stories template in Canva, overlay the images onto pretty backgrounds, and then download it as an MP4 video and add some trending music from Instagram. In your caption, include a strong call to action, encouraging people to reach out to you or visit the link in your bio to learn more. Idea number 2, tips. Again, Canva is really great for this. Think about an Instagram carousel, but make it a reel. Take 3 to 5 tips on your topic within your niche and include 1 tip on each slide. Then on the last slide, include a photo of yourself and a CTA for viewers to like, comment, follow, and share. Number 3 is transformations. These can be your own or a transformation from one of your clients or customers. Think of this like storytelling. Every great story has a hero, a problem, a moment when they overcame that problem to achieve the result they wanted. You can tell your story through photos and text on the screen, and this is a really great way to connect with people and instantly create a level of vulnerability and trust with your audience. Number 4, your process. People love, and I mean love, going behind the scenes. So set your phone up on a tripod and record your process of doing something related to your niche. You can choose to show your face or cut it out completely by zooming in on your computer screen, your desk, or your products. My favorite way to record behind the scenes reels is to set my phone up on a tripod and record a time-lapse video. Set it to great music, explain the process in more detail in the caption. Number 5, motivation. This is huge. Take a pretty or a neutral background in Canva and overlay a quote or a message of motivation for your audience. This is a really great way to take a typical motivational quote that you see on Instagram and adapt it to fit the current reel trends. Number 6, engaging. Record something that you have that relates to your niche and ask your audience to engage. For example, if you're a business coach, you could film a video of your bookshelf and say, how many books do you own? Or how many books did you read this past year? If you're in the beauty or makeup niche, you could show a collection of your eyeshadows and ask, how many eye palettes do you have? Or if you sell essential oils, you could show your collection and ask your audience how many they have or which ones are their favorite. You can take this idea and also make it entertaining by adding some humor to the question. Instead of how many books do you have, say, how many books is too many? These kinds of reels are really great because they encourage engagement, which the algorithm loves. Tip number 7, lifestyle. This is similar to behind the scenes, but the real purpose here is to give your audience a peek into your world and show that you walk the talk and live what you teach. Not only does this create know, like, and trust, but it also shows your audience what's possible when they invest with you. For example, I recently recorded this reel while my husband and I were cooking lunch. I know our target audience is female entrepreneurs who want to quit their full-time job and work their business from home. Since my husband and I both work from home full-time, one of the perks is taking a long lunch and cooking together. It's something that we enjoy and something we wouldn't be able to do if we both worked in an office. I made this reel relevant to my audience by adding a quote that expressed a philosophy that we teach. More time doing the things you love in the places you love with the people you love. Tip number 8 is routines. What routines do you have that fit nicely within your niche? I love this reel my mom created where she took a photo of her living room and overlaid text for her morning routine. In the caption, she outlined the routine in more detail and included a call to action to grab our morning routine freebie, which is one of our sales funnels. If you want some really great examples of CTAs you can use for your reels and other posts on social media, be sure to check out this video. Finally, tip number 9, use live props. Record your pets, your kids, a sunrise, sunset, maybe something in your favorite room. You're probably already doing this in your Facebook and Instagram stories, so why not take some of those videos that you already have and turn them into a reel? If you don't want to use videos of your own, grab some from Canva. They have tons to choose from. Simply overlay some text or a quote to make the message relevant to your audience, and don't be afraid to dive deeper in the caption to make it extra valuable for them. At the end of the day, you do need to be showing your face consistently on social media, but your reels don't have to be trendy or silly or include any complicated dance moves to be relevant. The key is no matter what kind of content you're creating, make it relevant to your target audience. Think about who you help and how you help them, and how you can create content that establishes you as a resource and injects a little fun, value, or inspiration into their life. If you want to see the complete social media posting plan we follow to power our 7-figure business on Facebook and Instagram, including reels, stories, and just regular old feed posts, you can download that guide for free at globalfreedomcommunity.com/post. Inside, we outline the 3 types of posts you should be using if you want to attract an audience, capture leads, and convert sales for your business on social media. We even give you a simple day-to-day schedule that you can follow as well. All right, that's all I got for today. If you enjoyed this video, check out this playlist with all the videos on Facebook and Instagram Reels. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go so you'll be notified the next time we release a new video on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.